Happy halfway to Halloween! Today I have an unboxing from the Spooky Kid Designs. I actually did unbox this on my TikTok page, so if you're not following me there, you can follow me there, and I upload every single day there. It's just a little bit easier with my full-time job to have content drafted. With YouTube, it just takes a little extra time, but I'm trying my best. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Molly, and I love everything spooky Halloween. I do a Halloween series on my channel every fall called Mollyween. I started it a few years ago. I love Halloween. My family loves Halloween, and that's where my passion for it came from. I saw this on TikTok. This person puts together mystery boxes. Primarily there's a lot of Goosebumps stuff that they put in there, and I was really excited to buy one. I'll leave their Etsy down below if you're interested in purchasing one. It's super fun and very nostalgic, so let's just get into the unboxing. So I also did buy a ring light at the thrift store or where else. It works pretty good. There's like all these different settings, like a warm setting and then like a blue and then more of like a white light, and I have it on the warmer light right now. And I feel like it's making a difference even though I use natural lighting most of the time. I think this kind of amplifies the quality a bit. So let me know your thoughts down below if you like this or not. I thought it would be a game changer if I want to film at night, and also just for TikToks and stuff, so let me know your thoughts. But let's just get into the unboxing. Here we go. This is what it looks like when you open it up. I'm so excited to re-look at everything because it's been a few minutes since I've looked at what I got in here. I got a TY toy from the McDonald's like Happy Meal, and I remember when they gave these out back in like, I think, 1998. I was born in 1998, so I don't remember exactly when these came out, but I do remember having them around the house is what I should have said, because my sisters were a little bit older than me, so that's probably where these came from. But this is just super nostalgic just from growing up with older siblings, and my mom was like a TY collector. I feel like every person in the 90s just collected TYs. I see them at garage sales all the time now. But I got Bongo. I like don't even want to open it, but I think it's so cute. It's a little monkey. So cute. Got this really cool Goosebumps postcard. How cool is that? This is like probably dead stock from back in the day. I remember that stuff like this came inside of the books. They had like calendars, trading cards. I have a trading card for I think like the thing that came beneath the sink or something, and I actually use it for a bookmark now. But I have my sister's old collection of Goosebumps, and I was looking through them one day and I found the trading card in one. So I think that's where these kind of things came from. But how cool is that? This is the mutant. This episode kind of freaks me out because of this building. Like in the episode they go inside of this, this kid comes across Attack of the Mutant. Is that what it's called? Let me know, 90s babes, down below. But this episode freaks me out, so I love that there's a postcard. I think that'd be super fun to like frame and hang up during Halloween. And then I got an R.L. Stine Goosebumps, and I got Attack of the Jack-O-Lanterns, and I don't have this one in my collection, so this was really cool to find out. There's little Nikki. What are you doing? I don't even know what she's staring at. She's such a good girl. Super fun. I love this. This one doesn't have any of the collector stuff in it, but remember having to like order the books from the back of the book. Reminds me of Scholastic book fairs and stuff. 2 candies. So I got a Nerd Rope and a Ring Pop in Blue Raspberry. Always fun. Here's the cute little thank you card. And I left her a note in my checkout, and I thought I was gonna get all Goosebumps stuff. So I'm really grateful because I love Goosebumps, but I am so grateful I got the postcard and the book. But I was fully expecting to get a Goosebumps VHS because most of her boxes, she gives away VHSs of Goosebumps. I used to collect those when I was a kid. I still have all of mine. I told her in my note on my order that I love Halloween and anything Halloween, and so on my thank you card she said, from one Halloween lover to another, thank you for your order, stay spooky, Emily. And because I'm a Halloween lover, she got me the Halloween tree, which I actually have never seen before. So you do get the VHS and then the actual VHS tape holder, and on the inside they fill it with goodies, more nostalgic goodness. I got like this little skeleton like squishy guy, these little chompers here, growing sea creature, which I think this one is a crab, super cute, and you put it in the water and it grows. I got a bunch of butterfly clips, which are always super fun, and I love wearing those in my hair. A Lisa Frank Halloween pencil, which I actually found a pack of these at the thrift store. The caramel apple pop. These are so good. and they're so hard on your teeth, but they're really, really good. And then a bunch of stickers. So I have one that says it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. I put a spell on you with the Sanderson sisters at the bottom. A cute witch, a black cat sitting on a jack-o'-lantern with her little broomstick at the bottom. And then Halloween makes me so corny with some cute little candy corns. I actually still have a mini TV with a VHS player or VCR in it, and I will be able to watch that this season. And this is from the Turner Home Entertainment, and I think it's from 1993. This was a little bit before my time, but I think it'll be really fun to watch when Halloween starts rolling around the corner, which will be a lot quicker than we think. But that's everything that comes in this box. I think I might buy another one to ring in the season and do another unboxing when that comes around in the fall. Yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. And your favorite thing about Halloween, like what nostalgic thing about Halloween do you love? Is it Goosebumps? Is it reading the books? What is your favorite Goosebumps book? Let me know. Everything down below. I love talking to you all. Until my next video, shine bright and stay spooky. Bye!